Hello students, so today we are solving a CET 2025 paper using the Newton-Raphson method to estimate the root of the equation. So we are solving with Newton. So xn1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f prime xn. Okay, so what is given? This one is given to us. Okay, so f prime x will be 3x square minus 2, the differentiation. So initial guess, let's be x0 is equals to 2. Starts with this. So we compute x1. x1 comes f2 is equals to 2 cube minus 2 minus 5. That is equivalent to 8 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1. Okay. So f prime 2 is equals to 3, 2 square minus 2. So that is 12 minus 2, 10. So x1 is 2 minus minus 1 by 10. So that is 2 plus 0.1. That comes to 2.100. Okay. So now we compute x2. So here f 2.1 is equal to 2.1 cube minus 2, 2.1 minus 5. So that comes to 9.261 minus 4.2 minus 5. So that is 0.061. So again for f 2.1, that is 3, 2.1 square minus 2. So it is 3, 4.41 minus 2. So it is 13.23 minus 2. So it is 11.23. So x2 is 2.1 minus 0.061 by 11.23. That is coming to 2.0946. Okay. So what will be the final answer? X1 coming up for us is 2.1000 and x2 is 2.0946. And what is the correct option? Okay. So the answer is x1. Compute x1 and x2. So x1 is 2.1000 and x2 is 2.0946. This is the correct answer.